I want to be rich. I want to be successful.
Everything is attainable, but you gotta free your mind first.
Cleveland is a different kind of place. It's always beef. It's good to have people in places like that. So when I got this kind of issue, I go down to see my people. I go see GP.
Fuck you, nigga.
Yeah. Ball till I can't ball out no more. Man, I bet I won't fall down no more. All them bitches gon' call up my phone. Wanna call, well I got 1, 2 phones. You wanna fuck, but I can't undo hoes. So you better get zip if you get chose. Now you got a new whip outside. Hit the bank, got them yelling out about time. Come pull up in the shy, niggas outside. Tell him I got new Gucci on me. Lot of trap niggas, what we do is low key. I'ma be up in the VIP, you know me.
Don't thank me. Pay me. In my white stuff.
You know what it is.
You can call me Pablo, no Arlo, Espanol. But yeah, I speak money though. Got that what you looking for? Know me in the Gucci store. Go ahead, pop that coochie hoe. Rolls Royce sitting on Rucci's hoe. Head on the way to the studio. You can call me Pablo. I swear now I'm the plug jack. Slum way from pimpin' hoes, but still I got my Cadillac.
Hey, keep my name out your mouth, bro. What the fuck is up with you, man? You got any problem?